Select the major product of the following reaction. To answer this problem, we need to look at both what our starting material is and what we are reacting it with, and identify what type of reaction this is. Our starting material is an alkene, and our reaction conditions show us that we have a two-step reaction. In the first step, we are adding mercuric acetate and water, and in the second step, we are adding sodium borohydride. We need to recognize that these conditions are the conditions for an oxymercuration, demercuration of an alkene. Although you do not need to know the mechanism for this reaction, you do need to know some specifics about what it does. This reaction takes an alkene and forms an alcohol. With regards to the regiochemistry of this reaction follows Markovnikov's rule. And Markovnikov's rule tells us that the hydrogen atom adds to the least substituted carbon atom of the alkene, and to the more substituted carbon atom of the alkene is where our nucleophile adds. The nucleophile in the case of this reaction is the water. And it is this water that makes our product an alcohol. Another important thing to note about the regiochemistry is that this reaction does not form a carbocation. The role of the mercury is to stabilize the positive charge that begins to form on this secondary carbon atom so that it does not rearrange. So we do not observe any carbocation rearrangements in this reaction. So what this means is what we are going to form is the following alcohol, where we have added the hydrogen here and the alcohol here. So hydrogen added to the end and the alcohol on the second carbon atom, which if we look at our options corresponds to option B.